to the channel. You're actually the Hearty family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Today I'm making steak with potatoes. One of my favorite things to eat. So first things first, I start with washing my hands and then I wipe my steak. So yeah. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And my steak has been washed already. So let's do it. Now let's marinate. First things first, I put it in my paprika. Now we're putting in my cayenne pepper. Now I'm putting in my black pepper. I'll be putting in my chipotle. Now I'll be putting in my Italian style. Now I'll be putting in my garlic powder. Now I'm putting in my meat seasoning. I'm gonna flip it and do the same thing on the back. Now let's do the same thing on the back. Okay guys, now let's marinate our potatoes. First things first, I'll be putting in my salt. Now I'm putting in my black pepper. Now I'm putting in my chipotle. Now I'm putting in my paprika. Now I'm putting in my curry powder. And last but not least, guys, I will be putting in my cayenne pepper. Now let's marinate. So guys, this is how my marinade steak and potatoes looks like. I put it in the air fryer and then let it to be there for 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah. But first things first, I'll be putting in my potatoes. I'm gonna let it be there for 30 to 45 minutes. But first things first, I'm gonna be cleaning. So guys, come and make something with me. So first things first, I start with washing my hands. So here we have our cabbage. 2. And then here you have our purple cabbage. 1, 2. And then here we have our lettuce. And then we have our tomatoes. And then we have our cucumbers. our boiled eggs. And then here we have our cornbread. And last but not least, I'll be putting in my cream. My cream was made out of vinegar, mayo, and pickled salt, and a pinch of sugar. So yeah, and this is how it looks like. So you guys, can you see how good this is? This looks super duper delicious. That's crunchy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are going to be making this salad at home. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. So you guys, I think my steak and potato is ready. It has been 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to be serving it with a bowl of salad. So you guys, now let's see how it looks like. 3, 2, 1. Wow, good. Hey guys, I added some tomatoes, green beans, and some cucumbers or zucchinis inside. So yeah, and it looks like so delicious. Can you even believe that? Now let's serve. Put this at the side. Let's get all of this. Say guys, this is the end results. And if you don't know what I made today, I made salad, potatoes, and steak. So yeah, the moment of truth. Now let's taste. But first things first, I have to pray. Amen. God bless all my followers. I hope they have a good day learning how to make potatoes and steak with some salad. And I hope they learn how to make all different kind of foods I teach them these weekends and these weeks. I hope they know what to make. Amen. Now is the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, go! So I'm going to put the fork here and then I'm going to cut. Oh, I got it. 3, 2, 1. This is the perfect breakfast you have to make for your family, guys. Like, this is super delicious. Now we'll taste the potatoes. This is super perfect. So you guys, this is for those who made it to the end. So you guys, my dad teaches IT, and if you want to become a cloud engineer or a Dev engineer, click on the link below to register. So yeah, these are for those who made it to the end. Sauce. And these are for those who made it to the end. Three, 2, 1. So very perfect breakfast for your family, guys. This is super delicious. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.